hello, Doobie.
Hello, Doobop. Look at this.
Oh, what's that?
Do you remember this?
Oh, this is our grandpa's house.
That's right. We went there last summer and took this picture down by the bay.
Oh, I remember. I remember the log house down by the bay.
Down by the bay, where the watermelons grow.
Back to... Huh? We are almost there. Do you see the house down by the bay? That's Grandpa's house.
Wow, it is a nice place. I already love this place.
Me too.
Oh, what's that?
Oh, watermelons. There is a watermelon field.
Wow, can we eat them?
Of course we can. Let's eat as many as possible.
Yahoo!
Let's go. Oh, we really had fun that summer.
Yes, we did. Now I remember. Mr. Jukebox, did you say you remember a song about last summer?
Yes. What song?
Down by the bay, where the watermelons grow, back to my home, I dare not go, for if I do, my mother will say, did you ever see a snake baking a cake down by the bay? Down by the bay, where the watermelons grow, back to my home, I dare not go, for if I do, my mother will say, did you ever see a mouse painting his house down by the bay?
Down by the bay, where the watermelons grow.
Back to my... Why are you giggling?
I remember the night when we had watermelons. Remember?
The night when we had watermelons? Oh! Hey, Doobie, stop! Can we not talk about that, please? Please!
The stars were really beautiful that night.
Kids English School.
Kidstalk